As a parents in the now one for expecting no do na be move. Games in be also high in no group stage. And now yes I a repetition.
Yeah.
PSG ever Chelsea. Real Madrid ever signed for Man City BM Pep. Ever signed Real Madrid abubium. Newcastle above Barcelona and some back in the group stages in the Nyasa game no. Bodo Glimt Airbus Sporting CP. Na Galatasaray and Liverpool and so no. Said the near the Kakano in the group stages no. Ayadia Fenumi ni Omu HCI and around 16 ni Omu Asai Ababe Shebu. And then Atlanta and Bayern Munich Ebebo. Na Atletico Madrid abo Toria Mospe. Na fe Bayer Leverkusen. And so abo Arsenal ye bo group stage ni wie no. Oshe teams are omo qualify automatically nia and as ye born in the wie no omo enana omo and so eda aye estro enti hunsam no ena ye de amamtimi sense su biema PSG, Chelsea, Real Madrid, Man City, Newcastle, Barcelona, Bodo Glimt, Sporting CP, Galatasaray, Liverpool, Atlanta, Bayern Munich, Atletico Madrid, Toria Mospe, Bayer Leverkusen, Aya Arsenal. Enti awama mi din kan bobo ina no na bobo hum first. Ansana amunso amo awo ayino. Nyame adoma amunso enya amunso 10 no makotene fi ani amo opponent no. Enso etimi abo. Dosh.
Enti enra because sembi na me say I preferred a Chelsea PSG. Abem. I said that for a couple of reasons. Because say Chelsea is a time for Chelsea to prepare better to finish the remaining part of the season. Already in the Premiership, results having gone their way. But over Champions League now, they haven't done so bad. Even though they've gone away and they've lost some points. But Ushe PSG and how we face them our Club World Cup now, it is more or less going to be a statement that Chelsea Ebema, when they face PSG again, now this is the case that Chelsea be away first. Ansa no abebo home. Now, ansa no ye started on na me bosso previous encounters between Chelsea and PSG in the last 10 years. In the last 11 years, because results has started from 2014. Now make a quarter final first leg PSG obo home first or Chelsea 3-1. And a second leg no Chelsea channel 2-0. Into Chelsea advance on away goal through. Say no away goal through no any hobby. So what here. And then Omushia BM that was in 2015. That was the next season. And the round of 16. PSG airball home first. Only Chelsea airball 1-1. And then the second leg, Chelsea airball 2-2 with PSG. Again, the aggregate was 3-3. Chelsea advanced again on away goal through. Then in 2016. We had another Chelsea PSG clash in the round 16 stage of the Champions League. Now, PSG and so ebo away first, or Chelsea 2-1. And a second leg no at Stamford Bridge, Chelsea lose game no 2-1. So PSG progressed on 4-2 on aggregate. Now, when you look at these results, in terms of superiority, even though Chelsea has progressed twice at the expense of PSG, the margins are very slim. The two times that Chelsea a progressive call the next stage it was 3-3 on aggregate, and then Chelsea at the away goes through and then a progressive This time around we will not typically have that type of result, because if you play 3-3 you call extra time, and then the game we'll see what happens in the extra time. But Chelsea ever call away first. I will park the plan. Now that is where the whole dynamic would be looked at carefully, because Oshe PSG the modern ball at home this is in the Champions League on the Monaco boy even recently or considered 2 goals. So everybody is saying Omabo games, even though Chelsea has played more games, typically Oshe PSG so they are expressing some type of tiredness and also lack of concentration. Would that become a factor that will go against them in this particular stage of the Champions League? But the most interesting part is that Omobisa Luis Enrique also on Robia bring them on. The game will be very interesting because of how the World Cup, final. No, everybody's expecting to see a different game altogether. More so because Liam Rosinia and so a coach of Chelsea now. Everybody wants to see how he's going to approach the game. Will it be totally different from how Enzo Maresca played that final, or are we going to see something different that will also, try and get people to be more happy with the kind of everybody's expecting something big from this particular
game.
Clash.
Quickly now
it's Manchester City and Real Madrid. Already no much in the early part of that was the preliminary stages of this particular Champions League. And now we win Manchester City Real Madrid 2-1. So I mean, typically we are going to see another encounter, but this time it's going to be home and away. So and just the first round stage, we shall we now feel the bragging rights. This time around, it is on 2 legs. People want to see how tactically dynamic the game is going to be. Now, after Manchester City never bought first leg or Etihad, so the perception is Santiago Bernabeu first. Real Madrid
Madrid no or unseeded. Unseeded no neighbor home first. Sana.
It's a Real Madrid ball.
Oh, you want to know the playoff na buy.
Good. It's Real Madrid playing at home first, right? Is that going to change the dynamic altogether? Don't forget, now all the English teams have progressed to this stage, and at Manchester City, this particular season, their performance, especially in the Champions League, has been quite good. Even though in the league, normal for Takakra. So a lot of people are looking forward. Said this, but said, Mamenka we na to. I really don't know. Say a lot of people would have expected, say, this kind of clashes that we are seeing would have seen them in the quarterfinal. But now Omodi are at the round of 16, which means that still the expected people are looking for it to see what will happen, and then moving from here to the quarterfinal. Into the idea, people are really willing and ready to see how the performance will be from all the teams that have qualified to this stage. But Real Madrid, because of the fact that they played the playoff, people are suspecting, say, coming into this particular round of 16, it may take some points away from them as the performance, because Manchester City also on back and because or sit back to allow Real Madrid to just pass through and go into the next round. It's they are very mouth-watering clashes. Everybody's looking forward to.
Kofi, apart from PSG, Chelsea, Real Madrid, City, I think some games as a be just a walk in the park. Bayer Leverkusen Arsenal. Where the simple game Arsenal.
Fairly easier game for Arsenal, especially because Arsenal is in the second league or the Emirates. So it looks good on paper for Arsenal. I think it's one of the games that's going to be very mouth-watering. Bodo Glimt versus Sporting CP, because Bodo Glimt have been successful against big boys. Can they also beat teams at one level and against Sporting CP when they go away to Portugal in the second leg? That should be interesting. Now, Atletico de Madrid and Tottenham Hotspur should be very, very interesting, even more so because Atletico Madrid, a club, the modern bono, the pedigree is, if not better, is on the level of Tottenham Hotspur in the Champions League. However, Atletico Madrid don't qualify automatically. Tottenham qualify automatically. Tottenham have a new manager in Igor Tudor. How is the dynamic of the Champions League going to be for them inside game, especially when Tottenham have the advantage of playing the last game or the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium? It's one of those games it's going to be 50-50 in terms of prediction in that regard. I think this is the end of the road for Italy, and Italy for now have been a little bit. The draw has been a little bit unfair for them. Juventus a free, Napoli a free, Inter free. Atalanta they've gotten one of the strongest teams to play against, Bayern. And it's going to be in Bayern again. The strength and the worry is that Bayern will last leg on the field.
And money,
yeah, into bet you have and power with face.
Maybe I can
last minute and that's because Rich, in this round of 16 going, where you went home and away is very important. It is very, very important, especially when you play the second leg at home. And again, Paris Saint-Germain versus Chelsea and then Chenka Kransa, but Galatasaray versus Liverpool. Liverpool gets the chance to play the second leg at Anfield. They lost the first one, Istanbul. Now I'm going to travel up Babaka. This is going to be a mouth-watering one again for them. And I think it's going to be a game. Liverpool for nothing that they can fancy a way through. And of course, we should Newcastle versus Barcelona. In fact, Newcastle, Barcelona, Chelsea, Paris Saint-Germain is what I wanted. I want Newcastle to test Barcelona again. I think it'll be very interesting. The problem, however, is that Newcastle play the second leg at the Camp Nou. And a problem no so when we Barca cry or time side, this is going to be a little bit difficult for them to be able to get, of course, in Chelsea versus Paris Saint-Germain, which a 50-50. Bitman Kobe Bia. Michel Liam will see a team Strasbourg against Paris Saint-Germain.
So Liam.
Yeah.
What approach to this game BSN? Because in most cases, coaches in the back says games be saying first game, as in the Obakwa win, Okwa. You need a result that a more stay in the competition and answer game because second game I our Stamford Bridge. Yeah. And you need a scoreline if you say be favor going to the second leg. It is Liam Rosenier. Send our base here approach game no who could you pack the prince and I am fed man Stamford be near me.
Rich, this is a match that will be lose to the midfield battle at any point in time. You lose the match. Again. Liam Rosinier, Makacho said, Machine team Strasbourg against Paris Saint-Germain. What they didn't do is that Omun team control tempo for 90 minutes. The last game on the Paris Saint-Germain boy, I think it's almost 1-1 draw or so. No lead. Now, Oshe team no bona OBM press Paris Saint-Germain in the ball. But Rich, in games like there are times where I bomb the block kakra. Especially when you go away to the Parc des Princes. You need to be a little bit conservative based on the moment of the game. So that you know when you stay in the game as long as possible and when you can bring the game to Stamford Bridge. For me, that is the most critical part of Champions League in Comunina. When you go away to the Parc des Princes, how do you manage the tempo? One, how do you choose your moment? Two, it's very important because Uko Biemu 90 minutes not game your opponent 3-1, 4-1. Stamford Bridge is not known a fortress this season in the English Premier League. In the Champions League is a little bit better. But it is not a mere side neighbor, only the defending champions neighbor. So you need to be a little bit careful. You need to stay in the wait throughout it and come and see if you get a result in there. It is going to be very interesting, Rich. And yes, I can ETF was a. These are the times for the big boys, not just teams, no players, no. These are the moments where we begin to see the Ballon d'Or boys, no.
When I'm deciding game,
Han starting home. So we cool Palmer, we Enzo Fernandez. This is your first Champions League, and you believe that Charlie, we want to get to the top. You're not Paris Saint-Germain BM. You show your crutchy powers. So Paris Saint-Germain team in him. Now you desire do it. Waji Copa, Waji Ousmane Dembele. This is the time you go again. Arsenal know that this is the point where they have to show up again. Manchester City, Josep Guardiola, Real Madrid, Mbappe, Vinicius Junior, all of these guys, they understand. And which games don't happen? You see the 19th of March, right?
19th.
Yeah. So the games are just around the corner.
Mami, Kofi, sa PSG team way. So what to compare last? I agree. On say last year, Crano, I'm the playoffs here and the big room because time I hear both group stage not on performance and I'm bar R16 I'm do room I call final call J. But I think that's always that team, no. Now they had this current Paris Saint-Germain team of them.
Isn't it the same team? Maybe the biggest change.
I'm one of them. What's your against Monaco?
Yeah.
I'm share Monaco, but I think say go share team bia. Almost so kakia be the Monaco and Monaco you
see, I think that Paris Saint-Germain, no, there are a few reasons, but again, even last season, there were certain games that they played and they struggled. Stade Brestois was a far easier team as compared to Monaco. Almost share a French position also last year. Yeah. And even in the league, it was not smooth sailing for them. What I'm trying to say is that, Rich, in Europe, Paris Saint-Germain and Chelsea now about the most games. So you expect some accumulated fatigue here and there in the team. Obia among say we're free team in him and a big mess. I don't even think it's a mess, but Obeka say okay, no need to know is Gianluigi Donnarumma. But you can't also say Lucas Chevalier by Onunti Paris Saint-Germain have lost games. He has been good in polls also for Paris Saint-Germain. They've even also beefed up the attack to the extent that for the very first time in a couple of years, Ashraf Hakimi gets injured. Marquinhos is out, and they have quality centre backs on the team in him. So I think that Paris Saint-Germain, the experience of Lieri can be at this point in time, I have a feeling that they may not want to go full throttle But ultimately, Chelsea free more. Which whoever comes next is going to be huge. And you see, when you look at
team with the Kofi Monshom,
Chelsea in Paris Saint-Germain. Oh, Rich, I don't think so. I don't think so. I mean, time and I didn't say Chelsea share. No. So wait, my only issue is that it is not going to be smooth sailing, sir. And yet, just straightforward in that regard. Say, Rich say, Atalanta any buying Ebo area win and Ibeshia Madrid versus Manchester City. Win and no never call. Then Chelsea, Paris Saint-Germain. Chelsea team share Paris Saint-Germain share. They will mix the winner of Liverpool versus Galatasaray. Very interesting. Atletico de Madrid and Tottenham Hotspur. Newcastle versus Barcelona. It means that the Copa del Rey semi-final, Copa second leg this week. No, we might see same in the quarter-final of the Champions League as well. And then Bodo Glimt versus Sporting CP may meet Bayern Leverkusen and Arsenal. Rich, Arsenal were a very, 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 very good run, especially because they've gone to the right-hand side now to go to the final, and they are very strong. It looks as if the stars are aligning for Mikel Arteta and the Arsenal team. However, it's still a long way to go. Rich, Barca match here, Barca Newcastle.
This time, Barca.
What's any BMO league face now? Over 2 legs in
home and away.
Home and away. Wow, that's going to be very, very interesting. If Newcastle and Barcelona, I think it's going to be a little bit difficult than the other.
Also, my catch was this season. Teams now, maybe first one beat me at the Champions League. Maybe for Barcelona and count. But I don't think that Newcastle a team will beat me Barca.
Okay.
Barca will be proceed. Ebia on the next opponent, possibly beat me and Mona.
But for now, the football club Barcelona.
Yeah,
Man City versus Real Madrid. I mean, it's a Madrid for now. We almost show man.
It'll be a game.
Man City team is not good like that, especially defense. No,
it'll be a game. Someone did not do the same thing.
But Etihad is a fortress like that because we know when you say Newcastle back on the second leg or Camp Nou, I am sure because they Camp Nou. So Santiago Bernabeu second leg, I am sure because they Santiago Bernabeu. So Oka, which other stadium? In Anfield is a big place when they are going on the Champions League night. Allianz Arena, big place. Etihad, Stamford Bridge, are they really dominant place for second league games? I don't think so. I don't think that Madrid.
But it depends on result of Benya in the first league.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying because both of them depend on the results you get in the first league. But the influence of Madrid echo Santiago Bernabeu. Now also 1-0. No the Etihad. Still the game is open.
Sure.
But the Newcastle Barcelona only Barcelona about 1-1. On paper, before we go, the analysis most likely goes that Camp Nou be a
fortress.
So Galatasaray Kokoye 1-1. Istanbul. No, they be Anfield. So Madrid, although they were not seeded, they have some advantage because Etihad is probably not the traditional fortress, but again, we say these things because of pedigree and you're parking the ball. The players can stand up and then turn things around, which is going to be very, very, very important on the night, especially on the Champions League night. But also will be a game.
50-50 will be able to qualify. Yeah. From now to 9th, I will game.
As it stands now, you need clear Ballon d'Or person. This year, the ensure any clear, sir.
Players has to be answered.
Ensure any clear, sir. It can be the night for the big boys. Erling Haaland more, Vinicius Junior more, Kylian Mbappe more.
Vini, also now they would Vini be sure.
But Vini now is Madrid's face. 2 weeks ago, Mbappe Madrid as a 1 week be out.
Okay.
I will be able to push you forward, and Kuya will take you back. So as it stands now, is Vinicius Junior.
I remember Kobe, him and John. I'll say there's something on the mountain. Chelsea run. He had to beat Chelsea with 2. AJ Ministries, I'll say good morning, Richardo. The best game for me to watch is Bodo Glimt versus Sporting CP. Same level, equal friend. I can't wait to watch this game.
Yeah.
And it looks like Kofi. Bodo Glimt free. I'm say, I'm afraid to tell you story, no. And say, and ya end day anytime soon. Because me, some Sporting CP team now, there's no way they can beat Bodo Glimt for no. Yeah. I'm going for the fairy tale. I'm saying, yeah, and this is here. I'm a Sporting CP. Yeah. With a coffee.
With the form you can predict.
Yeah, I'm a Sporting CP.
But let's see. A match, I would be very
well. Level. the same trend, but I think that this season is all the Champions League, no, and I casa dia. Bodo claim for the best Sporting CP.
Rich, have you watched Sporting? Sporting automatic qualification. No.
Chairman, if you I am already sure on Jeden.
No. In this Champions League, they had automatic qualification. It don't think as a new.
Sometimes now,
yeah.
I would say, game is
when you easy opponents how. Mini problem. Maybe Okasaria, and like I'm saying, on the surface of our pink sheet way, Champions League pink sheet, now can you legit?
You and I were not there.
Yeah, we were not there. But this pink sheet go on there. Champions League, legit. Now can you know?
Me say draw the buy and I'm kind of say, hey, agenda no suit.
Evo.
Metiana me PhD do. Me
Chese.
Say me.
PhD team ni nyane. Minimum pa. But match in
I think the one Richardo, Chelsea will beat Paris Saint-Germain again. Greeting to Fifi Manfred. Imran that this message at the Abraham Yemrefi na yemfa aye fisam no emfa entom so enra Minister of